The sky was dark, but the sun was shining through the clouds today. The air has stayed very cozy even though it's a little windy in Seoul. However, with skies gradually becoming more cloudy, by the time we get off work today, there's rain forecast on the southern coast. It will then expand across the country tonight. If you have an appointment tonight, you should take an umbrella. Tomorrow it will rain all over the country, but by the afternoon, most of the rain will have stopped. Until tomorrow, the coastal areas of Gangwon-do Province will have 10 to 40 millimeters. About 5 to 20 will fall in most other areas. Since the atmosphere will be unstable, thunder, lightning, and hail are expected as well. Please be careful. Tomorrow, the weather will be cool in Seoul due to the wind and rain. Seoul and Daegu will start off at 11 degrees Celsius. Daytime temperatures will move up to 17 in Seoul, Daejeon and Gwangju 18 degrees. Later in the week, it is expected to get as hot as early summer. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.